The probability of scoring a 5 on a die is thought to be 0.15. A die was rolled 40 times and a 5 is scored 2 times. Test at the 5% significance level whether there is evidence that the probability of scoring a 5 is different to 0.15. We begin by setting up our binomial distribution. We have x, which is binomially distributed with parameters 40 and p. The null hypothesis, that's given by p equals 0.15, and we have the alternate hypothesis, p does not equal 0.15. We can find the critical value. That's given by the probability that x is less than or equal to 2. We can calculate this using the distribution application. We have a binomial distribution. The tail is as we see here. X is 2. The number of trial we have is 40. P is 0.15. Working this out, we find that the probability that x is less than or equal to 2 is equal to 0.0485, etc. Now what we need to do is compare this to 2.5% because we have a two-tailed test. And what we find is this value is greater than 2.5%. Therefore, we do not reject H0. In other words, there is insufficient evidence to suggest the probability of scoring a 5 is different to 0.15.